All right, today guys, we're talking about centerpieces, and that can mean on your coffee table or on your dining table. So here in this specific example, we have a really big coffee table. So we do sell some of the oversized. So when you have something oversized, you want to do an oversized piece on top so it doesn't look kind of sad just sitting on top. Now if you have a smaller coffee table, I would encourage you to do something a little bit smaller scale so your centerpiece isn't taking up the whole space. This one's great. This one is more of a candle holder. One big piece just to be a showstopper. Now let's go check out the other options. Now this one we have on a dining table. So we have a few different things going on in here. We have two of the cake stands, the 3 tiers, which I love. Now you can put candles on them like we have shown here in the store. I personally love cupcakes, so just depending what you've got going on for the day. We have more of a cluster of things going on. Again, not taking up too much of the table, but still being a pop of color and more of a statement. We also have a lot of fresh greenery. Now these ones, this one is more of like a mint. We have a lavender and then a fun flower, so just kind of a mix and match just to create a fresh look.